Namaskar children, today we will learn about comparison. When we compare the two things or objects, we compare their height, weight, length and capacity etc. But when we compare the numbers, we need to compare the value of the numbers, that which one is more, which is less. Now let's compare the numbers today. When we compare the numbers, we use these three symbols: greater than, less than and equal to. Children, you must have heard the story of the hungry alligator in your previous class, who always wants to eat the bigger number. These symbols, greater than and less than, looks like the alligator's mouth. Let's start with the first symbol, greater than. When we put the greater than symbol, here we have two numbers 7 and 5. So here, as we know, 7 is greater than 5. When we have two digit number like here 30 and 25, we need to compare their places. So first we compare the tens place. Here we have 3 in tens place and here we have 2 in tens place. So we know 3 is greater than 2. So we need to put here the symbol of greater than and we call it out as 30 is greater than 25. Let's take one more example. Here we have 26 and 23. So here when comparing tens place numbers, we can see here we have same numbers in tens place. So when we have same numbers in tens place, then we need to move in ones place. So what we have in ones place here? 6 and here we have 3. So we know that 6 is greater than 3. So 26 is greater than 23. Now let's take an example of 3-digit number. Here we have 238 and 234. So here we can see in a 3-digit number we have 3 places: hundreds, tens and ones. So when we compare a 3-digit number, then we need to compare first the hundreds place. If we have same numbers in hundreds place, then we need to move tens place. So here we have same number 2 in hundreds place. And now here we can see that we have again same numbers in tens place also. So now we need to move ones place. So here we have 8 in ones place and in second number we have 4 in ones place. So we know, yes, the 8 is greater than 4. So 238 is greater than 234. Now let's do some exercise. 45 and 36. So here while comparing tens place numbers, here we have 4 and here we have 3. So 4 is greater than 3. So here we need to put the greater than sign. Next number we have 754 and 752. So as we can see, we have same numbers in hundreds and tens place. So now we need to compare ones place numbers. Those are 4 and 2. 4 is greater than 2. That means 754 is greater than 752. Now let's understand less than. We put this symbol to compare the numbers. This symbol we say less than symbol. As we know, 5 is less than 7. Again, while comparing two-digit numbers, we need to compare first the tens place numbers. So here we have same numbers in tens place, 4. So we need to move ones place numbers now. Here we have 3 in ones place and here we have 5 in ones place. So we know that 3 is less than 5. So we need to put less than symbol here. Now let's take a 3-digit number, 145 and 435. So first we need to compare the hundreds number, 100 place number. Here we have 1 in hundreds place and here we have 4. So we know that 1 is smaller than 4. That means here we need to put which sign? Yes, less than sign. Now let's compare 536 and 539. So here we have same number in hundreds place. Again same numbers in tens place also. Yes, now we need to compare the ones place numbers, 6 and 9. So 6 is less than 9. So here 536 is less than 539. Now the third symbol we use is equal to. So when we have both numbers same, it means they are equal. So here you can see 2 is equal to 2. That means when we have same value on both sides, then we understand that these are the equal numbers, and here we put the equal sign. Here we can see 9 on the left and 9 on the right. So here we need to put equal then sign. Again here 65, 65. In both places we have the same numbers. So here again we need to put equal to sign. Next numbers we have 450 and right side also we have 450. So again which sign will come? Equal to. So children, this is how we can compare the numbers by using greater than, less than and equal to sign. So bye children, have fun.